Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to access and edit Google Sheets offline. Let's get to it. First of all, open your Google Sheets app on your phone. Then select the file that you want to access and edit in offline mode. And for example, I'm gonna go with this file. So just click on this three dots button on the file. And then just click on make available offline. And right after you choose the make available offline option, you don't need internet connection to access or edit that Google Sheets file. You can edit or access the Google Sheets when you're offline. Alright guys, and that's how we can access and edit Google Sheets file offline. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this video is helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.